So we're going over this tap and die set. This thing is, how many pieces? 76 pieces. Got a 76 piece here. This is just how it comes. I just took this off here. I was messing with it a little bit before the video, but I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to get a close up of all the stuff first. Show you how, this is how you're going to be using this. Not really an in-depth tutorial or anything like that because that would take way too long. Just kind of give you a good idea. So let's get a close up first. Okay, so here we go. This is the largest metric, which is going to be 12 millimeters. Down to the smallest, which is going to be 4 millimeter. And the SAE side, we got a 1/2 inch. There's 2 1/2 inches. And these are going to be fine and coarse threads on both sides. And this is also going to go all the way up to 1/2 inch down to 4. And coarse and fine as well. And same sizes with the metric. And get you a little flathead. Your 2 pieces that are going to hold your taps. A little quick one if it does fit. This is going to ratchet. This what's giving us the ability to ratchet it. And this is going to go inside of here. You'll see. So that's everything that is in the box. So let's go ahead and give a quick demonstration. Okay, to start off with these, which is going to be for bolts. This is what I'm going to be using mine for most of the time. I'm usually not threading a brand new bolt. But you can see, hopefully on this one, you can see the threads are messed up. And what we're going to do here, this is a 6 millimeter. So I'm going to grab my 6 millimeter, put it in here. I'm going to grab my ratchet. This is how I like to do it. I'm sure someone who's more experienced than me will have a different way, but this is how I like to do it. Little hole underneath there. So we just went all the way down with it. Make sure all of our threads are good again. You can see now. Go back out with it. Give it one more pass. That's kind of if you cross thread a bolt most of the time. You can see now I'm going to be able to screw this thing in. So very good. If you accidentally cross thread a bolt, it's your only bolt. You can fix it with that. That's what I use it for most of the time. But this right here is the more prevalent part. This is an 8 millimeter bolt. This is a hinge that I'm using just because that's what I had in my toolbox. And you can see, when I try to put this thing in here, it's not going to go. No matter how many times I try, this will not screw in here. So what we're going to do, because for some reason I want this to go in here, for whatever reason that is, go ahead, get our 8 millimeter, get our ratcheting piece, which, get this piece right here. Open this up, put our die in there, or our threader. So we got this guy in there, put that on there, put this on here. And now, what we're going to do, move this out of the way so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm just going to thread this right through. And once it starts getting kind of caught, that's when the ratcheting portion comes in. Now it's getting loose again. I'm going to pop this off, come back out with it. And I'm going to get my 8 millimeter bolt. You see it screws right in now. So, if you're wanting to thread something, kind of like this is, make sure you got it straight though. Mine was a little crooked. Make sure you got it straight if you want it to go in straight. But yeah, you can see works just like any other nut and bolt would now. So that's pretty much the gist of it. That's how you work this tap and die set. This one's has literally everything that you would need. Weed eater outside still, I'm sure, but Like I said, this isn't something that I do all the time for my job or anything like that, so this is all that I would need. That's this tap and die set. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.